I was having a good day, and energy like that can very quickly just diminish your energy. Like as soon as it happened, both me and T, like the room just kind of got quiet and we wasn't even upset, but that energy can pass through.
Come on! Those reindeer had a very shiny nose. Hey yo, hey yo! And if you ever saw it, you would even say it goes. You think it's a game? All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. What? They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Come on! Come on!
Day 3 of Vlogmas is officially a vibe, but you can watch this video all year round. So if you're interested, stay tuned. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. Okay, so if you are just tuning into my channel, or if you just have been living under a rock for the past few days, this is my very first attempt at Vlogmas. So if this is your first time visiting my channel and you are interested in coming along for the ride for Vlogmas, just make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash that notification bell to make sure that you are getting notifications every single day. So I'm here. It is probably about 11 o'clock at night, so I've already begun to wind down for the night, so to speak. Except for the fact that I gotta shoot these vlogs for y'all. So I'm gonna just tell y'all briefly what happened. It sounds so silly, but I know that I am not the only person who can go through this. I have the personality type or the coping strategies or whatever it is psychologically defined as an empath. And with an empath, you just have to be very particular about protecting your energy, okay? I will show you guys what I do, what I personally do. This is what I real time do to clear my energy space. So I'm just going to tuck the hair in. If you guys haven't seen day 1 of Vlogmas, all the deets on this hair is explained, so make sure that you check out that video. I've already washed my face clean. I got out the shower. The first thing that I like to do when my energy is just tainted and just, you know, just I love to get in the shower and just, you know, just let all the stress, the irritation, the tension just run, you know what I'm saying, just run off my body and into the shower. So like clean slate. And one of my favorite face masks, I love a lot of their face masks, I swear by Freeman face mask, but one of my favorite ones is the purifying avocado and oatmeal mask. I love an oatmeal mask, honey. I also love to burn sage.
If it's something you like to do it.
I'm not here to convince. I also love essential oils. A lot of times I will take essential oils and just put it just a little bit on my wrist, or it's really not good, you know, to put it on your face. I guess maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but I do it. I also put a little bit under my nose if I'm getting ready to go to sleep, just a little bit, and it is super relaxing. But another thing that I like to do if I want to use it throughout the day is just use diffuser beads. So I'll put a little bit of essential oils on my diffuser beads and go ahead and put that on my wrist, and it is is good for not being super overwhelming, but I still get to waft the scent, and it just helps, just another layer of relaxation. And then last but not least, just set the mood. Do things that relax you. Have a glass of wine, sit and watch your favorite guilty pleasure reality TV.
That's just me, my ex, and my kids. What if my kids grow up and they want to say, hey, Dad, do you have a photo? She act like I'm...
photo kids in the mouth.
It's my photos. It's my past. And if Annie has a problem with it, she shouldn't look at the photos.
Don't worry, I'm gonna put some photo with my exes.
And if you can put photos of you and your exes, you can call that and have him take you to the airport and deuces.
You guys know I love reading a good book. I am definitely a bookworm. I am super excited because as of today, December 3rd, 2019, book 2 of the Legacy of Orisha, Children of Virtue and Vengeance is officially available. I have had this book pre-ordered literally since the day I finished book 1. So if you are somebody who follows along with me or reads along with me over on Goodreads, I am starting this book tonight. Perspective is key, right? One of the big things that I've learned towards the end of the year, and just becoming more mindful. You guys know I've been on an ever journey of mindfulness. You are never, you're never done. You're never done being mindful. You're never done seeking growth. You're never done discovering things about yourself. So in my journey for mindfulness, first and foremost, I adopted a motto, very simple motto for the end of 2019, going in 2020, and that is just to go with the flow. Okay, it seems so simple. We have been hearing that statement, that sentence, that mantra our entire lives, but when you truly learn to go with the flow, to not be extremely attached, extremely possessive over anything in your life, anything like occurrences, experiences, anything that's going on in your life, learning to trust the universe, know that the universe is always working for you, recognize things for what they are, their experiences, and they live in that space, moment, and place and time, and unless you choose to take them with you in that space, moment, and place and time is where they will stay. If you don't take anything away from this super chill, hopefully relaxing vibe vlog, make sure that you are taking time, making space, creating space in your spirit, your mind, your everyday life. Make sure that you are cleansing, resetting your energy at the end of the day. It doesn't have to be this long, drawn out, daunting routine, but personally, my wind down routines at the end of the day are my favorite parts of the day. It's not something that I dread. Oh, I have to do this, and this. It's like, oh, I get to do my face routine. I get to do my skincare routine. I get to sit down and read another chapter of a book. I find an excuse to be mindful. That's what it is. Find an excuse. So the nut job from Call of Duty gave me this excuse to have mindful moments for myself, not only, which I was going to do anyway, but create this content for you guys. So leave in the comments some of your favorite ways to be mindful. What do you like to do to wind down? What's your favorite face mask, honey? I'm always looking for a good face mask. Wind down music, as you guys could see, I love vibing to some Sade, some Cree Summer, 90s R&B, just really chill vibe, things like that. I have like specific songs and playlists that I go to, so let me know what your favorites are down below. So Tej was playing Call of Duty, and I just got this particular really cool idea that we probably will be bringing to the channel. during Vlogmas later on in the month. But I got this really cool idea and I was really excited about it. So I was just kind of, you know, like excitingly telling Tej about my idea. And all of a sudden I hear on his headset, "Tell your bitch to shut up," or "Your bitch is so loud," and all this. I'm just like, oh my goodness, because literally I forget that he even be on the headset playing the game, like, and they can hear what's going on in the background and stuff. So I may have been a little loud because I was excited, but I really had forgotten. So it turned into this whole thing where the person is just like, you know, trying to get a rise, and it's a game. It's a game. We don't know these people, it's strangers, it's whatever. But again, this is real people, these are real energies, these are real, you know, roadblocks that could be thrown into your very good chill day. Like, I was having a good chill day. Matter of fact, I was responding to y'all in the comments on yesterday's vlog. So I was having a good day, and energy like that can very quickly just diminish your energy. Like, as soon as it happened, both me and Tej, like, the room just kind of got quiet and we wasn't even upset, but that energy can pass through.